In this video, I will show you how you can send gift or gem to your friend in Brawl Stars. So there is no direct method in Brawl Stars that you can send gift or gem to your friend. But there is one indirect method that I will tell you. So first of all, you have to go to your Google account and you have to buy some of App Store gift card. So once you purchase App Store gift card, then you will get a code. Then you have to send that code to your friends and your friend redeem that code, and ultimately he can buy gem for himself. In order to buy a gift card, you have to go to Google and search buy Play Store gift card. Scroll down, but at top of the list, click on the gift card promotion where to buy and management. Click on this link. Once this link open, click on where to buy. So there is a multiple method by which you can purchase gift card. So you can use any of these methods according to your country. Once you buy gift card, you will get a code. So send that code to your friends. Then your friends will go to Play Store, or if he or she is using iPhone, then he can go on App Store and click on icon. Then click on payment and subscriptions and redeem code. Click on redeem code. So the code that you will send your friend, then enter that code here and simple click on redeem, or you can scan gift card directly. In this way your friend will get a gift card, and by that gift card he can purchase gem for himself. So this is the indirect method. You can donate some of gem to your friends, and there is no direct method for that.